What I want to do in this video is start out by talking about something that people never talk about. And this could literally make or break your online business. And in fact, it could be the difference between you quitting and you actually succeeding in it. And if you're looking for an online business, or maybe you are currently in an online business, making money online isn't about how hard you work. It's 1000% about the commission structure, because two people can work the same amount of time. One $500 a month and the other one earns $5,000 a month. Same effort, just a different commission structure. So today I'm going to break down the most common online businesses, how much they actually pay, and which one makes the most sense if your goal is real income, not just side money. And I think for a lot of you, this is going to be a shock to your system, because you're going to realize that maybe what you're doing isn't the best thing for you based on the time that you're putting into it. Hey, if you're new here, my name is Kim, a wife, mom. In fact, today, my twin daughter's 21st birthday. Pretty cool. Anyway, I spent years trying to make money online while working a full-time job. And I certainly didn't fail because I wasn't trying. I failed because no one explained the numbers to me. And once I understood this math, everything changed. So first, let's look at freelancing or remote work. Most people earn anywhere from $20 to $50 an hour. So obviously, let's do the math. So if you want to earn $5,000 a month at $25 an hour, you need to work 200 hours that month, which is about 50 hours a week. So this is basically just another full-time job. And most importantly, like a job, when you stop working, the money stops coming in. And for me personally, I was already doing that in a job, so I certainly didn't want to do that again as a side hustle, although I have done it before. Didn't want to make that mistake again. Option number 2, e-commerce or drop shipping. E-commerce can work, but the commissions are very tight. Most beginners make anywhere from 10 to 20% profit per sale. So if you want to make $5,000 a month, you need to sell $25,000 all the way up to $50,000 worth of products every single month. And on top of all the work that you have to put into it, you also have to do paid ads, customer service, and it's just a constant stress. And I've watched people burn through their savings just trying to keep up. Option number 3, course creation or coaching. And this one looks attractive, and it is if you do it the right way. But the reality is you do not get paid unless you build authority first. So you can't just come onto social media, create a brand new account, and make sales right away. That's just not going to happen. You have to build your following first. You have to build your audience. Even if your course is $500, you still need 10 sales every single month consistently. And that's on top of actually creating the course. And obviously it's doable, but of course it takes time, because you have to build your audience, you have to build your position. And if you are just starting from scratch, it's very tough. Now, option number 4, and one of my favorites, is of course affiliate marketing. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's when you sell someone else's product. So they create the product, they handle the customer service, they do all the back end type stuff. You just focus on marketing. And if you make a sale, you get a commission. So affiliate marketing pays commissions, not wages. And some programs pay anywhere from 10% all the way up to 30%. But here's the downfall, and that is they pay 10% to 30%. So you sell a $100 product, you're only making $30 on it. So here's something that's even smarter. And it's like affiliate marketing, but it's called digital marketing. And with the concept called master resale rights, you have the ability to earn 100% profit. So what that means is you sell a product for $100. Instead of you making a 30% commission, you're making 100% commission. So if you are selling high quality programs, They can pay anywhere from $500 to $1,000 per sale. So if we go back to our $5,000 example, if the program pays $1,000 per sale, you only need 5 sales for that month and you hit your goal. This is not hundreds of customers. It's not you having to get viral videos. It's 5 people saying yes to what you have to offer. And that's when I realized that this isn't about volume. It's about leverage. Because I used to stress out about, when am I going to get my viral video? When is my videos going to get hundreds of thousands of views? And that in itself intimidates a lot of people. But the best part is, you don't need thousands and thousands of views to make 5 sales. That kind of evens out the playing field for people that are just getting started in the online space. I did a live stream, I can't remember, a couple months ago, and I think it only has 50 views on it. I made a sale from that live stream. I actually made $900 from that live stream that didn't have many views on it. So this only works if you have, number 1, a proven system, and 2, marketing skills. And I failed early on because I didn't have either. I was completely guessing, and I was posting without any kind of direction or any kind of coaching. But once I plugged into a system that taught me marketing while I was building an income, everything changed for me. So if you do one thing today, I want to stop chasing low commission ideas, low commission products. I want you to start learning about a business model that rewards your efforts. And if your goal is to start $5,000 a month, pick a business model that doesn't require 500 sales to get there. And let me leave you with this. If you want to learn how it's possible for you to earn $5,000 a month with only 5 sales, not overnight, but realistically, click on the link below, watch the free training, and there's obviously no pressure at all. 2026 is a brand new year. And if you are serious about building your business this year, don't wait a whole other year trying things that just don't add up, trying things that stresses you out, trying things that takes you away from your family. Building a business, especially if you're working full-time, takes sacrifice. Yes, of course, you're going to sacrifice time with your family, but there's nothing worse than sacrificing time away from your family and not having a profitable business. Because I did that for years. I don't want you to make the mistakes I did. Click on the link below, and I'll see you on the inside.